Welcome to my channel. I want to teach you how to cook spaghetti with chicken. Act like ABCD, the easiest way to cook spaghetti and chicken. If you missed the video I dropped on practical how to cook this particular recipe, do well to go to my channel to check and see it step by step. This one will also help you to go a long way. This one will break everything in details. You know, when they drop cooking video, we don't drop it raw as it was made, all right? We drop it so that you can be able to watch it via shortening it. This video will be very short, so I will teach you now step by step. If you follow this my guideline, trust me, you will be a pro in cooking spaghetti and chicken, all right? Even though you don't have any experience of cooking at all, stay and watch this video till the end. Now, it's people that stay and watch it to the end will understand the video better, all right? In case, if this is your first time to see my channel, this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food, all right, from scratch. Even though if you don't have experience at all or how to cook, all right, I will teach you how to cook any kind of African food step by step. And after watching this video, you will thank me. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be getting updates on how to cook anytime we drop video. All right. Number one that you need in cooking this chicken and spaghetti is fresh tomatoes. Put it in mind, fresh tomato or paste tomatoes, anyone that you feel that is comfortable for you to afford. Go ahead and get it. Number two thing you need vegetable oil. All right, that is number two things you need vegetable oil. No matter the quantity you need, no matter the quantity you can afford, is fine. All right. Now number three thing you need onions. All right, onions. You know, cooking with onions is a very interesting part of cooking. If you can't cook without onions, you can't do without onions. Trust me. You can't do without onions. Trust me. Number 14 you need crayfish. Okay, crayfish is another wonderful spice you can use and cook any kind of food. And thank yourself. Even though if you don't know how to cook, trust me, when you put crayfish in your food will come out to that standard. Anybody that cook that does not put crayfish, check that food well with the one where they put crayfish. So on number 14 I mentioned crayfish. Another thing I mentioned is your seasoning cube. All right, this thing do not require more seasoning cube. Small seasoning cube will do this. Another thing, you need ginger and garlic. But in case if you don't like ginger and garlic, you can also skip it. You can forget about it. All right, you can forget about it. Now, how do you combine all these things now to get that perfect flavor and that perfect yummy spaghetti that you want? Now, I will break it step by step on how to process this thing to get it perfect. Don't forget, we add chicken, okay? Now, what do you need? First of all, you need to cook your chicken to your desire. Cook your chicken to your desired taste. As I always tell you, your protein or your fish, anything you use in making your food, spicing your chicken, your meat, your beef is very, very important because that is the foundation of your cooking. If you miss that foundation, trust me, your food might not come out well. Now, how do you start to process all these things? When you want to spice your chicken, after putting all the things you need to put there, and what you need to do is to put that chicken on the fire, another gas, you're using firewood, you're using electric, you're using stove, anything you're using, put it, cover the pot. Let the meat or the chicken produce water, all right, by itself and take it back. This will enable your chicken to have perfect taste. If you want to get more details about this, check the video I post, and you can check description. You will see other videos which I put on description. You might find interesting. Do well to check those videos. All right. Now, after spicing your chicken, you cook to your taste. After you cook for some minutes, then you add the water that you want to use in making that chicken to get set for consumption. All right. You add the water that you know that is equivalent of amount you want. But this spaghetti, we are not adding much water. All right, don't add much water because the water you're adding is what I'm going to use in making this spaghetti. I have my reason why I say you should not add this much water. Now, what will you do? You put in the water. When you add the water, what else will you do? Cover the pot and cook for the minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. When you find out that chicken is ready, what else will you do? Your spaghetti. The only spaghetti I will recommend for you is golden penny. Golden penny. I'm not doing advert. This is not advert. Golden penny. Any other spaghetti that is not golden penny, forget about it. Yes, I have my reason. I don't want to mention some other pasta name that it will look as if I want to spoil somebody's business. Alright? Golden penny is what I'm recommending for you with my full chest. Use golden penny. Now, breaking your golden, you can break it, you can put it as long as it is. After you break it, warm it. After you warm it, cook for some minutes. Then you filter that water out. When you filter the water out, what else are you going in with? Put your pot on the fire, let your pot to dry, add in your vegetable oil, add in your onions, add in either fresh tomato or paste tomato, anyone that you can afford. You add it immediately and keep on stirring it till you feel that for some minutes. Don't allow it to get done like as if you want to fry stew. Alright, don't allow it to get done for you to get this particular taste I'm talking about. Now, when that is getting set, you add in your salt, add in your seasoning cube, you add in your mixed spice, you add in your curry if you are using curry, you add in any kind of spice you want to add, you add in your crayfish as well. But note this, listen to me, don't add in salt, don't add in seasoning cube yet. I repeat, don't add salt, don't add seasoning cube yet. Because of what? Use salt and seasoning cube to prepare the chicken. Alright? Now, after everything, you add ginger, garlic, you might add pepper. Alright? Now, don't forget to use other spices to cook your chicken, because we're going to use the chicken water and arrange this particular recipe. Now, after you do all these things, you add in your spag, your pasta, add it and mix it very well. Check the video so you will see the process how I mix my own. After watching this video, check that particular one in case if there's anything that you don't understand. You can always feel free to drop your question on comment section. I'll be willing and glad to receive your questions. Alright, now you mix it very well, then you test it. Alright, then you test it. Note, before you put in your pasta, you have put in your chicken and the chicken water. You are putting your chicken and chicken water. When you put your chicken and your chicken water, because of the salt and the seasoning cube you use in cooking that chicken, that will be the seasoning cube and the salt you are going to use in making this pasta spaghetti. Then after you put it, you put in your spaghetti, you turn it and test it and check if it's tasted to your own choice. Check if it's tasted to your own choice. Alright, then make sure that you turn it very well. The reason why you need to take your time and turn this thing very well so that the ingredients you use will not go under and settle or go one side. I don't want to think about this. What do you think? Yes. If you want to get more, go to the video I posted yesterday or day before yesterday. Check the video to understand more. Alright? Because people say I should make video. This video is coming like it's a request. I should make video and explain better things I use in making that particular recipe. You can check description. You can check the description of this particular video. You will see some link I put there, some other things that you need to learn. Now that any kind of recipe, check. You will find any of them interesting, and you will also see the ingredients I use on the description of this video. Do well. If you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. After clicking this, trust me, you will thank me and appreciate yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it helpful. Yes, I know you find it helpful. So do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that every time we drop updates, it will always come to you. Thank you.